Hello and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds, and thank you very much for your inquiry on this fantastic discovery that we've recently brought into stock. Now, this particular model is the Land Rover Discovery SD V6 HSE Luxury, which means there is a whole host of standard equipment, but also on this vehicle a total of £3,005 worth of factory fitted optional extras. Now, this vehicle comes finished in the Indus Silver Metallic with a full ebony leather upholstery with a contrast piping, which are also perforated for the heated and cooled seats, which we'll see when we head inside. And also, this car has a full Land Rover service history. Covered at just 26,574 miles. It is in fantastic condition, both exterior and interior, and with that equipment level and that full service history makes a fantastic vehicle for you. So we'll be having a look around some of the levels of equipment, and on the exterior we can see items such as the privacy glass from the B pillar backwards, which was a £400 factory option. We have a surround camera system, which is £635 factory option. The metallic paint we can see at £850. An electrically deployable tow bar at £1,005, and a second row of 12-volt charging stations for the rear seat passengers at £115. Now, to add to this, up top on the vehicle, again we'll see when we head inside, but we have the twin sunroofs, and the one above the front passengers and the second row will tilt and slide. There's an electric blind which covers all of this as well. We have the electric tailgate and active lane keep assist, which are the lights in the wing mirrors, and even has a feature for the rear door whereby if anyone is coming past, it will give that person a warning to let them know not to open the door. So some incredible equipment on this car. Let's have a little look inside. Keyless entry. The key was just in my pocket and all I did was pull the handle to open. And we have features in here such as those heated and cooled seats, and we can see the perforations and that contrast piping on the upholstery. So we have heated and cooled seats. We also have a heated steering wheel, fully electric seating with the memory package for the driver. We have a Meridian surround sound system, and as you can see in the centre are a whole host of off-road vehicle controls. Having a look into the back of the vehicle, it gets better as we get back here. We have rear seat entertainment, and present we have the headphones either side there in the door pockets, the remote control to operate that in the centre there, and a full set of ventilation controls with heated rear seats as well. Looking up top is where we'll see blinds covering currently, the panoramic roof, and right into the back there the third row, which are electric. And the buttons can all be found on the left hand side of the inner boot. And as mentioned, covered just over 25,500 miles, which results in incredible condition. And as we can see there, the electric blinds opening up to create a very light and airy feeling to the inside of the car. So yes, we're very proud to be bringing this one to market, and I do hope you find the video informative. But we will be in touch very shortly with some calculations. If there's anything that we have missed, then we'll happily provide you with another video or the details over the phone. Thank you once again, and we'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.